TechNos, welcome back to another video. It's your boy TechnoTrend back at it again. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to connect your PS4 to your Elgato capture card. Now I did find the solution online, I'll be crediting down below, so be sure to check that out. Also, if you guys see that your screen is flashing or that your TV doesn't turn on or you don't see that it's displaying on your TV, this is basically going to fix it. For some reason I had this issue and it kept flashing on my Elgato. I tried changing the cords, I tried changing the HDMI, connector cord, everything, and nothing worked. And I did find the solution. It's very simple, and for some reason Sony didn't comment on it, I guess for copyright reasons, for streaming and stuff like that, but I'll be showing you guys how to fix that today. And if this does work for you, be sure to leave a like down below and a subscription towards my name for more awesome tutorials. So let's get started. So what you guys want to do is head all the way to settings. You already know the drill. And what you guys want to do is go straight down, go down to system. Now that you're a system, this is the setting you guys want to turn off. So automatically it's turned on like this, but I'm not going to tap it. So automatically the setting is turned on, but make sure you tap it to turn it off. And immediately as soon as this happens, it should fix your Elgato. Try restarting the Elgato, like turn off the software, reopen it again, all that stuff, unplug it, and this should be your solution. For some reason it doesn't let you show the screen for the PS4 for some reason. I guess that's by default, but as long as you keep that unchecked, you guys will be able to screen record all you want on your PS4. That's basically for this video, guys. If you have any questions, please leave them down for me. Have a good day, guys. Be sure to stay tuned for more awesome tutorials.